Hello everyone again, it's Marcello di Benedetto. Today we're gonna make a ravioli stuffed with fresh ricotta cheese and goat cheese. Gotta make sure we mix it really good. The ricotta is the fresh imported from Italy. And then we mix it with the raviola, which is sort of like a cream cheese made with goat cheese. You know, just the top of the line. And then you put some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt and pepper, a lemon zest, and the juice of half of the lemon, and just mix it real well. This is the dough. That's a handmade dough. So just 00 flour, eggs, and salt and water. That's all it is in the dough. Okay, we do the initial stretch, and then we use the machine. This is imported from Italy. It stretches the dough real thin. You have to do gradually, the right thickness. We're gonna run it one more time. Coming out. Put the egg wash in the middle. They will act like a glue, so when it falls on top, it won't come apart. It won't bust it open when you cook it. Now we put the fillings. Then it will cover, and we'll press all around it, so the egg, it glues the pasta, the two sheets together. Okay, and then we cut and shape. That's the first ravioli. And we'll put them on the tray. You basically just have to cook the pasta. Like I said, at least 2-3 times a week I make ravioli. Yesterday I made gnocchi. Today I gotta make a ravioli and cavatelli. And then the pasta, that's just everyday thing. Every night we gotta hang the tagliatelle. So. And do pizza in between, just jump back and forth, you know. So it's my passion, I love to do it. You know, I've been doing it all my life.